Make your funny faces and tell them how much birds are in there.
There's 1 million of birds.
How many birds? In the winter time in Texas.
Like 3,000 million.
That is more than that, I bet.
Yeah, I know there is, Coda.
But why did you say 3,000 million? Or
Guys, I
whatever.
know there's more than that.
There's a lot, right?
How many?
Like, how many pieces in your hair?
What do you, what? Like, there's so many birds. What?
It would equate to the amount of hair that Coda has on her head.
No, I think it's, I think there's as much birds how many tiny pieces of hair you have in your head.
One little piece of hair. Hair.
No.
It's one bird.
No.
That's equivalent to one bird.
Like, okay, here's one piece of hair, see?
Yeah? That's equal to one bird?
Yes, and then another piece and another piece. As many pieces as you have in your hat.
Oh, okay. I see. So there's a lot of birds.
Hey, here's my soda.
Yeah, we're not talking about your soda. It's psycho. Hey! Alright.
Wait. Hey, look at me.
Hey, you not grab the camera. Don't lick your fingers. Really?